In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to co-watch YouTube videos with Google Meet. Imagine this. You're having a virtual hangout with friends or colleagues, and you want to share a fun YouTube video experience together without being in the same room. Well, you're in luck, because Google Meet makes it remarkably easy to do just that. Let's talk about how you can seamlessly share your YouTube videos during a Google Meet session. First things first, we'll need to navigate over to the Google Meet website. Open your web browser and type in meet.google.com. For those of you who use Google Meet regularly, this step is quite familiar, but remember, it's an essential starting point. Once you've landed on the Google Meet homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see a Sign In button. Give that a click, and this will take you to a page where you can sign in with your Google account credentials. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you choose the one you intend to use for your meeting. Enter your username and password, and you'll be logged in and ready to go. With that done, let's move on to joining your meeting. If meeting details have already been shared with you, use those to join the meeting by clicking the provided link, which might look something like meet.google.com, followed by a unique code. Once clicked, you'll enter the meeting room, ready to connect with your friends or colleagues. Now, let's get into the fun part, sharing your YouTube video. At the bottom of your Google Meet window, locate the Share button and click on it. This is the key step that allows you to bring external content into your meeting for everyone to enjoy. A pop-up box will appear, providing you with sharing options. Here, you need to select the specific tab where your YouTube video is open. Do you see the tab with your desired video playing? Go ahead and select it. It's crucial to get this part right, as you want to share just that particular tab, maximizing the viewing experience and avoiding any unnecessary distractions or content. Before you share, ensure that the Share Audio option is turned on. This is incredibly important because it allows everyone in the meeting to hear the video's audio, ensuring the full experience is as immersive as possible. And finally, you're ready to roll. Click the Share button and your YouTube video will start playing in the Google Meet for all participants to see and hear. Now you can sit back, relax, and enjoy co-watching the video together, no matter where everyone is physically located. Isn't it amazing how technology can bring us together like this? Thanks for watching and enjoy your video sharing.